I am Prajakta. Today we are at Healing Hands Clinic and we have with us Dr. Fahad, who is one of the finest radiologists in Pune. Today we are going to talk about 3D endo-anal imaging. Welcome, sir.
Hi. First of all, thanks for having me, and it's a pleasure to be here talking about this topic, that is 3D endo-anal ultrasound. What this is it's a type of ultrasound in which we introduce the transducer, which is the perianal or the endo-anal transducer, inside the anal canal, and then we acquire the images in 3 dimensions, right? In 3 spatial dimensions. This gives us is an analysis or an overview of the anatomy of the perianal region, with which we can visualize the internal sphincter, the internal anal sphincter, the external anal sphincter, and the puborectalis, the various parts of the levator ani muscle. And associated with this, if the patient has any pathology like a perianal fistula or maybe a perianal abscess.
Sir, could you please tell us the significance of 3D endo-anal imaging in the patients with fistulas and how does it benefit them?
Yes, definitely. So a 3D endo-anal imaging is actually a blessing for the patients who have perianal fistulas. And we here at Healing Hands Clinic have a machine which is imported from the US, with which we perform the 3D endo-anal ultrasounds. So the advantage of 3D endo-anal ultrasounds is that we can use this technique right before the surgery is done and discuss the findings with the surgeons who are performing the surgery. And this imaging also helps us understand the various aspects of the fistula, which are the types of fistula, the length of the fistula, the internal opening, the external opening, as well as the association of the fistula with the various anatomical structures in the region.
Sir, we would like to know what specific types of sonography procedures are available at Healing Hands Clinic.
Yes, definitely. So we have 2 types of ultrasound machines at Healing Hands Clinic. So one ultrasound machine is for the 3D endo-anal imaging, which we already spoke about, which is mainly for the fistula imaging. And the other ultrasound machine has various types of ultrasounds which we perform. So the first one would be the B-mode ultrasound, which is for the routine ultrasound examinations. The second would be a Doppler imaging, and the third would be something called as an echodefecography, in which we discern the type of the rectocele present in the patient, whether it is an anterior or a posterior rectocele.
So this would be the last and the most important question of a session. What makes Healing Hands Clinic different from other hospitals?
Yes, definitely. So what makes Healing Hands Clinic stand apart from the rest of the hospitals is that, like I mentioned before, a 3D endo-anal imaging is a blessing for the patient because we perform the imaging before the surgery and right after the surgery as well, to make sure that whatever pathology was discovered before is completely and 100% cured after the surgery is completed. Also, another thing that helps us stand apart is the fact that we perform a screening ultrasonography for all the patients before their surgery, regardless of their condition, to make sure that nothing gets missed.
If you have any queries regarding 3D endo-anal imaging or piles of fistula, you can contact on the number given below. Thank you.